The Alypri Portable Mesh Nebulizer uses advanced vibrating mesh technology to produce a consistently fine mist that feels very similar to what you get from a clinic-grade device. Its handheld, lightweight body and quiet operation make it easy to use in a bedroom, car, or hotel without drawing attention or disturbing anyone nearby. The included adult mask, child mask, and mouthpiece fit comfortably and seal well, so one device can realistically serve the whole household. A clear LCD screen, one-button control, and automatic shut-off take the guesswork out of each session and make it approachable even for people who are not tech-savvy. USB-C charging and a hard-shell travel case with organized compartments make it genuinely practical to keep this nebulizer ready in a bag for everyday errands or longer trips. The detachable parts, generous medicine cup capacity, and automatic cleaning and clog detection features make regular maintenance straightforward and help keep performance reliable over time.